Hello students, let's begin today's first chapter, Reproduction in Plants. This is class 5th. So, in this lesson we will be studying about reproduction in plants and its methods. Seeds, structure, germination and dispersal, food from plants, growing healthy crops and protecting them. Let's come on to the first topic, reproduction. Living things, plants and animals produce more of their own kind through reproduction. We know that plants bear flowers, fruits and seeds. Most plants reproduce through seeds. However, there are some plants that reproduce through their body parts like roots. For example, sweet potato, stem, for example, rose, and leaves, for example, aloe vera. These plants can grow without seeds. Sweet potato grows if you keep a sweet potato. Rose plants grows if you put a grafting. Aloe vera grows if you keep a leaf. Here are some examples. So coming to reproduction from seeds. Here are the stages of reproduction from the seeds. So one of the most common methods of reproduction in plants is through seeds. Some fruits have only one seed in them, such as plum, peaches, mangoes, while some others have many, such as papaya, watermelon, orange and guava. Structure of a seed. A seed is a part of a plant that can grow into a new plant. Let us look at the structure of a seed as shown in the picture. It is an outer covering called the seed coat. Each seed, whether it is a monocot or a dicot, each seed has a seed coat, which is the outer layer of the seed. You can see in both the pictures. So next is the embryo. So here you can see a part called embryo in both the seeds. This is called the embryo, which is the baby plant. So in each seed we have a cotyledon. So we have two cotyledons here. But in monocot you have only one cotyledon. So these cotyledon changes into leaves when they grow. Some of the examples for monocots are maize, rice, wheat, and they have only one cotyledon. They are called as monocotyledons, seeds or monocots. The others are the dicotyledons. For example, beans, peas, grams have two cotyledons and are called dicotyledonous seeds or dicots. You can see in this picture the seed can be broken into two halves. You have groundnuts at home, you can break them into two halves. So here is a question. Do you know the world record for the fastest growing plant belongs to certain species of the bamboo which have been found grown up to 91 centimeters, 35 inches per day. So a bamboo grows very fast. So this is it for today. We'll stop here for today. Let's start germination in the next topic.